the three things you need in order to land the job, regardless whether you are currently studying IT or recently graduate, or even if you have overseas experience and even looking for a job but you are unable to find the job. Maybe you are doing one of these things wrong. When you boil down everything comes down to these three things. So the first one is the experience. You need to have an experience in order to get the job. So there are two types of experience. One experience is project building experience. The another one is commercial experience. So in order to get the commercial experience, you need to actually work in the industry. But to get into the industry, you do not already have to work in commercial project. You can work on your group project or personal project. Build the project so large and real life that company can appreciate the effort you have put in. If you build large scale project, especially with the team member or other friends, like you would do in real life, that is the experience. You can utilize it or count it to showcase your experience. That's the number one thing you need to have. The another thing what you need to know is how to get job offer. If you're only relying on the job portal, then you are just competing against 10 to 15% job. The another 70-80% job are not advertised in the job portal. You need to have multiple way to get the job offer. One, yes, you use the job portal. Another one, build a network. 70% job you're gonna get through the network. You need to know how to cold reach out to the company using their career page information, and have a mentor who can guide you through as well. And for our student, we have a placement officer who is also working with the company to place our students. So you need to have 5-6 different ways to get job offer. Then only you can crack one of those interview and get the job. The third thing is the communication skills. Unless you have a right communication skills to crack the job, you will not get the job. So you need to understand the number of steps involved in the job interviews and be able to, or need to prepare for each type of interviews. Do mock-up interview with the mentors to make sure that you're gonna crack that job. If you do not have one of these things well, then it will be extremely hard for you to successfully land the job. So work on how to gain the experience. Tell people not what you can do, tell people what you have done it. Second, find the ways to get multiple job offers. Third, build the communication skill the way interviewer wants to hear it. Once you have everything dialed in well, I almost guarantee that you will get your dream job. Follow for more career tips.